Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through an easy guide on how to set up sales tax in StanStore. So if you want to set up your sales tax in your StanStore, here's a quick guide and a straightforward method on how you can easily get it done. So the first thing to do is to log in into your StanStore account. So go to your settings. From your dashboard, click the settings on the left hand side or the left hand menu. Then you have to open the tax settings. So scroll down and select the tax settings or sales tax, then turn on the option that says change sales tax or enable tax collection. Then after that, enter your business location, tax region, or your tax ID, which is your tax identification if required. So StanStore use this information to calculate tax based on your customer's location, and after that you have to input your tax percentage or choose automatic tax calculation if available. So after that you have to apply tax to product. So go to your product section and make sure each product has the tax option enabled. Then after that, click save and update the settings. So tax will now be automatically applied at checkout, and that's how you can easily set up sales tax in your StanStore. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.